Big rush to go nowhere, mate. You're only going to get to the back of the queue. Here's a van. My goodness me. What's wrong, fella? You wanted to say something? You seem to be muttering at me under your breath.
Don't provoke an argument with me, my friend. I know that's all you do for a living.
Yeah, you know nothing then. It's amazing how people think that this is all I do. I actually have a proper job. But he's just so angry that apparently the idea of having a relatively normal life, of doing mostly normal things, is beyond his ability to imagine. I like his plate, MB16 Joe. Instagram notifications. You're in no danger from me, but please, you can't be using your phone. I mean, you're just looking at your Instagram notifications. That's shocking. I'm still reporting it though, I'm afraid. I hope you have a nice weekend.
Mikey,
You alright?
at long last, bump into you.
I've literally just caught this lady. Nice number plate she's got.
I just wanted to say how much I admire what you're doing.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
I've been watching your videos for
This
a couple of years now.
this chap's not nearly as happy about it.
Really? Oh, he thinks you're...
I imagine he's a taxi driver or something. But thank you very much. I appreciate you coming and saying hello.
I've been wondering how long it would take because I cycle the same kind of routes.
Yes.
Really nice. to meet you in person.
Thank you very
I
much.
felt like I was in your video with you talking to that lady.
Yes.
I've just picked up this new bike.
I'm Mike, by the way. Obviously you know
No,
that.
I'm Dominic.
Nice to meet you, man.
Oh dear. I just picked up this new bike from Belt in Notting Hill Gate.
Oh, sweet. Everybody likes to have a new bike. New bike day is very nice. I'm heading to the exit now. I rarely do more than 1 or 2 passes along here before I carry on to where I'm going.
Oh, you're on the way somewhere else, but you take a few laps. Yeah.
Nobody got time to spend all day going up and down there.
It doesn't take long for you to find them.
I'm sure you see plenty yourself.
I do, yes.
Lovely day for it. I don't think it's quite shorts weather. I've got long johns underneath my jeans. Clearly I'm not as tough as you.
Oh, well, I've just come from a bit of a tour around North London, so
Oh,
I was,
on the new bike.
no, on the old bike, and now I've picked this up and I'm just taking it for a test ride. I think they're going to adjust the saddle for me when I go back.
Yes,
I don't know how long it's going to stay in my possession.
good choice of bikes. They're a very good brand.
Marin. Anyway,
After you.
yeah, have a good day and I'll see you online.
Thanks so much, Dominic, for stopping. I really appreciate that.
Oh, well, I appreciate you. See you later.
Oh, I'm not the only one, thank goodness. There's thousands nowadays.